we always have to screen out the traders, because we have a very known supplier list. If we visit all of them, that's a big cost. So we just stay in our office, check the information online using our supply management experience. I don't have to go to the factory. I don't have to go to China. I can check if they are factory or if they are traders. So what's it? Number one, ask the supplier to give us their inspection records. Normally, when we give this requirement to the supplier will send us the certifications like CE or FCC or RoHS. This means nothing to confirm if it's a manufacturer or a trader, because everybody can send a sample and pay hundreds or thousands of dollars to the laboratory and ask them to make a certification and write any name and the certification. We should ask the supplier, hello, can you send me your raw material inspection records? Can you send me your during production testing records? Can you send me your outgoing quality inspection report? Because every factory, they have to check the raw material. This is a basic part of the quality assurance system. If they send you this report, you can check the head titles. The name is the same as the supplier's name or not. According to my experience, I have checked, audited too many suppliers, too many traders. Most of the traders, they cannot provide the raw material inspection records with their own name and the papers and the titles. Second, location. You can find the supplier's location on the website and the documents. We can search it in Google. And for me, I know it's very well. Even I see the address, I can know if it's a expensive commercial business center or if it's a industry park. If the location is in some very expensive, like premium commercial buildings, and if the product is not high technology, no profit margin, that's high possibility not a factory, because factory cannot pay this rent cost. And we can also see the address. If the address is in some industry park and the building floor 1, floor 2, wow, that's good, because normally some factories, they have totally 1 floor or 2 floors to make the product. But for some address, you can say it's just room 108 or room 10, 11, like that. So there are only some rooms. In many cases, they are just small rooms for office, not for factory. So by this address, we can also get some important information to know if they are traders or factories. 3. Check the product depth, comparing with their company size. We need to know if it's a big factory, they can have different departments responsible for different types of products. But for small factories, they can only focus on another kind of product. And actually, any factory can make clothes and electronic products together, right? And for LED lighting field, which I'm very familiar, big factories, they can make indoor and outdoor together. But for some middle size, for some small size, they can only make another types of products. For example, only make commercial lights, down lights, track lights, or only make tubes, panel lights. So we can visit the supplier's website. We can check the catalog. We see the product depth, comparing with their company size to know if they are trading or not. 4. Check patents. If the supplier focus on a special kind of product for several years and they told us, wow, we do a lot of R&D, we invest a lot of on design. They should have patents, right? To protect themselves. For some ship design, very easy patents, or some technology design for some tools design or related to this kind of products you are going to buy. So we can check the patents online. Some are English version, some are Chinese, to see the patents if the name and the patents company name is the same as the supplier's name or not, and the products on the patents is the same we're going to buy or not. Number 5, check register license. All the legal suppliers, they should have a register license. And it should be okay for them to share the license to the potential customers. And at the license, we can see the register time, we can see their location, we can see their business range. Okay, business range, we can check if the business range include the products we're going to buy or not. 6. Tell the supplier that my Chinese agent want to visit you. What time is okay? I experienced several cases like this. When the customers tell the suppliers that I have Chinese agent, they have to audit your factory. You know what happened? The real factories, they say, yes, we're happy. We're happy you coming to visit and check our quality system. But for some traders, they reply the email very slow. And after this, oh, I'm sorry, I was busy last time. And unfortunately, recently, we are moving our factories. Can you come after months or something like that? So after months, when we check them again, the same still feedback very slow. Wow. They don't willing us to visit the factory to confirm it's a trader or factory to confirm its quality system. So just give them some messages. We can also screen out some traders. Above are the tips to screen out traders. But according to my more than 10 years supply management experience, I also have to share you that our target is not to screen out the traders. Our target is to buy the product at a suitable price with good quality. Some traders, they earn the monies they deserve to earn because they do good communication, they do the R&D, they have a quality management system to manage the factories, they have the laboratory. Some factories, they only focus on assembling, buy raw materials and assemble this company together, but they don't want to spend money on the laboratory, they don't want to spend money on foreign language. They do their job, traders do their job, they work together. They are also worthwhile for you